This is gonna be a quick, simple video of how to replace the Serpentine belt on a 2007, well, basically 2006 to 2011 Civic Si. Mine's is pretty done for, has a little bit of cracks. So I picked one up at the dealer. It was only 25 bucks for an OEM one. So let's get to this. Oops. So for the tensioner, all you need is a 14 wrench to the tensioner right there, and then we're gonna get it loose. I don't have a long one or a strong one, so I'm just gonna do it the ghetto way. Okay, so once that's loose, all you gotta do is remember the pattern of how the belt was. And I know this pattern, so that's gonna be pretty easy. And take out this old belt. I turned my wheel here so that I'll be able to reach the belt and take it out. Old belt with cracks and ugly. So now we got the belt basically how we want it in the position it's supposed to be. So now we're gonna loosen the tensioner and get the last pulley on there, hopefully. There we go. So Serpentine belt is on. So everything's good. Looking nice. I don't get tired of that.